Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying out the NATASHA DENONA GLAM palette. I'm really excited. I've had this for months, like since it came out, like the day it came out I ordered it. So it's been out for a while and I just have not used it yet, just because once again Halloween, and then yeah, I feel like I'm just now getting back into the swing of things properly. But this is how the palette looks here. It is really pretty. It's obviously like a very neutral palette, but I love Natasha's formula and I'm very excited, so let's get into it. I want to do a very like glam, smoky, dark, exciting look today, you know? So that's what we're doing. I'm burning my spiced gingerbread candle from Bath & Body Works and it smells so good. Love it. I think I put on way too much eye base. What did I do? Oh my god. Did not mean to put that much on. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I chose out all my stuff for the next project pan today. I'm really excited. I went for like some really exciting products and stuff, but I'm really like keen to get back into that series, so yeah, it makes me feel like just kind of nice knowing that I am actually using up some of my products and they're getting their use and everyone's like, they're all getting their like time in the zone, the spotlight. So yeah, okay. I don't really want to follow what is written on here, but I think what I will do is I'll start with this shade here, and it's called Smoke. So like pretty much it tells you where to put everything. It's like center eyelid, outer eyelid, inner corner, which I think is really cute, but I kind of want to do my own thing, which obviously you're free to do. Like, I don't think Natasha Denona is going to come and hunt you down if you do not follow her instructions. Maybe she might, I don't know. I don't know what she's like. I really need a new one of these Fenty sponge things. I wonder if like Sephora will do like a Black Friday sale. Okay, so wait. Oh my god. No. Can you see that? That was out of my Fenty sponge. It's okay. Crisis averted, but oh my god, I need to empty it. So all the pigment like sits at the bottom, and then when I was like swirling around just then, it all came out. Look how much there is. Can't believe that happened. Can't believe my Fenty sponge tried to do me like that. Alright, I'll bring it in a little bit. Okay, so first we're starting out with Smoke. Oh, okay. A lot darker than I thought it would be. Anyway, I don't know what I was expecting, but anyway, that's fine. I just cannot even like begin to explain these shadows. Like, they're just so good. Honestly, like, they're so creamy and so nice and just so pigmented. And they look just like velvet on the eye. Like, they are expensive. I think this palette was about 130 bucks. But they're just so good that they're so worth it, you know? And this is just not the right brush, so I'm gonna have to swap this brush over in a minute. I need something a bit more like focused. Morphe had this crazy brush sale the other day, so I spent $300. It was like a half off brush sale, and so I spent like 300 bucks, which means that I've got $600 worth of brushes, and I finally bought myself the James Charles like master collection, which I'm so excited about, and I was able to get some really cool brush sets for giveaways and stuff, so it was just such a good deal, like 50% off. That's crazy. But yeah, I think I got I can't remember if I got one of the master sets for whatever it's called, like the big James Charles one. I know I got one for myself. I don't know if I got one for a giveaway, I can't remember, but I know I definitely ordered one. But yeah, I just thought that was such a good sale. I was like, what the hell? Okay, now I know it's looking rough at the moment. It's one of those ones, okay? But you just gotta trust the journey. Okay, we're gonna get there. Now I need like a blender brush. Might take something like this, and I'm gonna actually I'm gonna take a smaller brush first, a bit more of like a dense one. Just trust, okay? I really want to move my studio around, but I don't know how to do it, and I don't know if I have like enough room. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going into the shade now called Blend, which is this like much lighter brown, and I'm gonna like stamp that. Okay, it's not lighter, like much lighter at all. Guys, what the hell? That is not how it looks in the pan. Anyway, so I'm gonna like, I just really want to put it on the corner, like the edge. And now I'm gonna take a blendy brush and really buff that. I'm mad, I really thought that that was gonna be a light brown, like compared to what it looks like in the palette. I feel like I have been duped, like, anyway, this is looking alright. Now that it's blended, it's crazy what blending does, you know? Just how much of a difference it makes. Alright, and now there's a shade called Transition, and it's kind of like a grey kind of shade. This one here, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my brush and just use that to run right over the edge. I feel like there's a little bit of patchiness going on, which I'm not happy about. Anyway, right, now I'm going back into the Smoke shade. I'm just blending that once again. Alright, and then let's take the blend shade once more and just run it through. And then we're gonna give this a huge blend. Something tells me this is not going how I wanted it. Anyway, why is there a dark line there? Why? Alright. Then I'm gonna take the lash line shade and put that in the outer corner. It's like a very dark shade. And I'm just blending that. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut my crease and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have cut my crease now. Just gonna, oh my god. Alright, so I've cut my crease now and I'm going to go back into the lash line shade and just blend. I've been having really weird nightmares lately. Normally I do not. Okay, well, it's not really lately, it was like last night and today. So normally I used to have nightmares really bad all the time until I got Tilly, and I don't have nightmares anymore when she sleeps with me, but last night it was too hot for her, and so she wanted to go out at like I don't know, she went outside maybe 2 AM I think, and then like when I went back to sleep after that I had like the worst nightmare. It's just so annoying, like, yeah, whenever I don't sleep with her, which is very rare to be honest, because she literally always sleeps in my room apart from like around summer because then she gets too hot. But anyway, yeah, so when I took her out and then went back to sleep I had like a really weird nightmare, and then today, like, well, it's like that was like early hours of the morning, and then I woke up at like 7 and then went back to sleep for a bit. I had another one. And they're just so weird, like I can't exactly remember what happened, but I just like feel weird, you know? You know when you have like one, but then you don't know what it is, but then you feel weird about it? I don't know. Anyway, that's what happened. Okay, I'm just gonna like blend these. Alright, and now we need a inner corner, or well, a lid shade. I feel like something like that would look really nice, or I feel like I've done the gold one so many times though. I might take this one. This one's called Brow Bone, but don't care. I'm gonna use it for my lid. I'm just gonna take like a flat brush and then just put that one on. So yeah, this one is called Brow Bone. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. bring it there and then I'll blend it a little bit more again. Take a lash line once again. And just use that to blend. And I'll take like this flat brush, I'll just clean it off and like just blend that line, you know, so it's not super harsh. Then I'm going to take this shade called Inner Corner. It's like the pinky one. Just tap that like on the first half of the lid. And then I'll go back in with the brow bone shade just once more. Okay, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to put lashes on, do my face and everything. I think I might add some liner as well. And then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I think it looks really nice. So this is the eye look. I feel like these shadows are a little bit patchier than the other palettes I have of hers. I don't know if it's because they are such dark colors, but anyway, either way, I'm still so happy and I think it looks beautiful. And yeah, I'm very excited to have this palette and to add to my collection. I have 4 of her palettes now, the like $130 ones. I really want to try her more expensive ones, but I just don't have the bank account for that right now. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!